Hello again, fellow BeachBum traders. Today I wanted to quickly show you another tool that is very useful for finding the pre-market gainers and losers. For example, if you're up for the 4 a.m. Webull Open and you're looking to see what's moving in the pre-market at 4 a.m. or in any of the extended hours, in addition to some of the other tools that we've shown you in our previous video, it's 4 a.m. Do you know where your stocks are? Which I will leave a link to in the description box below. Another tool that's very useful is ChartMill, and I'll just show you a couple quick features that I use for the extended hours pre-market gainers and losers in ChartMill. And you can find a link to ChartMill in the description box below, and I will also include direct links to the resources that we're showing within ChartMill, and in the future perhaps we'll do additional videos. There's a lot of features in ChartMill, so we'll do future videos on some of the other features that you may find useful. So today we want to talk specifically about the pre-market stock screeners in the 4 a.m. As you'll see, there's similarly after-hour stock screeners in ChartMill for all the extended hours. This page gives you more detail about how it works here in ChartMill. Again, this is for pre-market or after-hours activity, but this is just a selection on the Performance tab, which you'll see. There are tons of features in here, and using the extended hours, you'll see this only returns results during extended hours. So on this page, which again I'll leave a direct link in the description box below, you can find more details about how all this works, some additional examples, and then how you can do custom screeners. So I have two that are preset to find the pre-market gainers, and you'll see I've already set up this criteria, and the selections we're looking at pre-market gainers below $10. I've currently excluded ETFs. I'm using US only. You can see the US only is set in this exchange parameter. You can narrow it to a particular exchange if you wish. You can choose the price above or below a certain value. And again, there's tons of parameters. I'm not going to go into all of them in detail today. You can play around and see what works best for you. Once you set your parameters, you can save this URL, make it a favorite or shortcut so you can get to it very quickly. And you'll see the results. You can sort the results by ascending or descending on, in my case, I'm looking at the pre-market change. So we're looking at pre-market gainers, so it's sorted by, okay, who's gaining the most currently in the pre-market. And as you can see, we get an extensive list, a lot of information about them, what's the setup, the technical analysis, red, green, yellow, etc. And we can hover over each graph and see a more detailed graph for each one and see if that's something that you want to jump on right away. And if you refresh the page, then we will see changes in the pre-market gainers or losers. Very quickly, if I want to eliminate a criteria, let's say I want to include ETFs, I can always go to the appropriate tab. Here we can see the performance signal is pre-market gainers. This is where you can also choose after-market gainers, pre-market losers, etc. Get tons of indicators. You can choose whether it's close to support or resistance. You can choose fundamental factors, and again, there's a custom tab. So again, here's ETFs. I can select here to include only ETFs, or I can also just eliminate that filter from the screener, and then I will see ETFs in the list as well as stocks. Okay, again, I will leave a direct link to the original settings for this PreMarket Gainers stock screen in the description box below, and then we'll look at PreMarket Losers. Okay, very similarly, it's quick and easy to also look at who is declining currently in the pre-market. What are the pre-market losers? How to find those and see who's declining in pre-market, potentially buying opportunity if they're approaching the support. Again, in this case, I'm looking at pre-market losers below $10. I've excluded ETFs. I'm looking at US only. Again, you can change all of these parameters very quickly and easily. I'm looking at just today, and you can narrow it down to a particular exchange. You can change the price that you're looking at to be whatever you want. And again, this is pre-market losers. I've got it sorted descending by pre-market change. So we're seeing, who's lost it's descending, and these are negative numbers. So we're seeing who's lost the least so far. We can quickly hover over any of these symbols, which is one of the great features about using this tool to find pre-market gainers and losers. Is you can also quickly hover over the chart, decide if that's something you want to jump on right away. Here's an example where we see XR, VXRT. It's down, it's near a support trend line. Maybe that's something we want to jump on. You can see the setup, the technical analysis. We can see the volume. You can easily filter this to see only gainers or losers that have a certain volume. We can see what the change was after hours. It was up after hours, and now it's down in pre-market, or it was down after hours and down pre-market, depending on what trade setup you're looking for. So again, I just wanted to show you quickly and easily. This is a great tool to quickly find pre-market gainers and losers in ChartMill. Again, I'll leave a direct link to these particular screeners that I have set up. And again, you can very easily change the parameters just by Xing one out, or by changing the selection in any of these many different parameter boxes. You can see all the tabs as we've shown in the gainers section, and you can update those as you wish to get the settings that you're looking for to find pre-market gainers and losers quickly and easily in ChartMill. And again, we'll leave all the direct links, our affiliate link to ChartMill, also to Webull, again, and the 4 a.m. Where are your stocks? Do you know where your stocks are video? As this is a great way to also find what's moving at the 4 a.m. open in Webull, or in pre-market or after hours. Again, I'm focusing on pre-market in this case, but you can similarly use setup screeners for yourself if you're an after-hours trader. So I hope this helps. I hope you like this video. Please smash the like button if you found this useful. If you're not already a member of our BeachBum trading community, we hope you will choose to subscribe. Share this with your fellow trading friends, particularly those that are up at 4 a.m. for the Webull Open, other Webull users. Webull has extended hours from 4 a.m. to 8 p.m., which we think is great. So again, we hope that you found this helpful. Please provide your feedback in the comments. Let us know what you like, didn't like, want more of, less of, what else do you want us to focus on in ChartMill to help you be a more successful trader. So we hope this all helps. Have a great trading day. Bye.
Thank you again for watching our video. We hope that you liked it. If so, please smash the like button, give us a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing to our BeachBum Trading YouTube channel. Please share this video with your fellow traders and friends. And please give us your feedback and any recommendations for improvement in the comments section below. And let us know what else we can do to help you in your trading career. Thank you again. Good luck and have a great trading day.